This is Sarath from Lotus High School. In the last class, we learned pair of linear equations in two variables, how to solve by using algebraic method. The first method, algebraic method. In that algebraic method, the first method is substitution method. In two classes, we learned substitution method. Today, I am going to teach elimination method. Elimination method. This method is also very, very important. Elimination, how to solve x and y by using elimination method. Elimination method. Here pair of two linear equations are there. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So this method is called as elimination method. We have to eliminate either y or x. Either y or x. Before eliminating, the very, very important thing is, here the quotient of y is 3. Here also, if the quotient of y is 3, then our elimination is very easy. Our elimination is very easy. Otherwise, the quotient of x is 2. Here the quotient of x is 1. Here also the quotient of x is 2. Then our elimination is very easy. Either you can take y or x, no problem. Now how to do? Listen. Here that implies, here I am multiplying equation 1 into number 3. Equation 1 into 3. Equation 1 into 3. Equation 1 into number 3. Constant 3. Equation 1 into 3. Why? Because I am going to balance the equation. I am going to balance the equation. So automatically, listen carefully. What is that actually? Equation 1 into 3. 3 into x plus y is equal to 3 into 5. Listen carefully. 3 into x plus y, because in equation 1 into 3 is meant for LHS and RHS, I have to multiply. That's why 3 into x plus y is equal to 3 into 5. What is the answer? 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into y, 3y. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into y, 3y is equal to 3 into y is equal to 15. That implies automatically the equation 1 will change like, what is that? 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. Actually, the equation is x plus y is equal to 5. Just I change 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. Now, what about equation 2? Equation 2 into equation 2 into 1. Not required, actually, no need to write, but equation 2 into 1. Equation 2 into 1, automatically the same equation will get. So that is nothing but 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This step is very, very important first. This step is very, very important. First equation 1, I multiplied equation 1 into number 3, constant 3, so that 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into y, 3y is equal to 3 into 5, 15. Next equation 2, I multiplied with 1. If you are not directly also you can write, but just I am explaining like this. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 into 1, the same will come. Why? Because I have to eliminate either x or y. So I have chosen, I am going to eliminate y. Here very important step is, I have to eliminate. Here very important step is, I am going to eliminate y. Here this is plus 3y, this is minus 3y. If the signs are different, okay, the quotient of y is 3, the quotient of y is 3. The quotient of y is 3, the quotient of y is 3. Easily I can eliminate, but addition or subtraction we are getting confused. That's why if plus and minus different signs are there, that's why we have to go for addition. we have to go for addition. Plus and minus is there, we have to go for addition. Plus and plus is there, we have to go for subtraction. Minus and minus is there, we have to go for minus and minus is there, we have to go for subtraction. Okay, the most important thing is we are going to eliminate one variable either y or x. Now, first of all, if it is plus and minus is there, we have to go for add. If it is minus and plus, we have to go for add. Plus and plus, we have to go for subtraction. Minus and minus, we have to go for subtraction. Very, very important point. If opposite signs are there, add. If the different same signs, opposite signs are there, add. Opposite signs are there, add. Same signs are there, subtract. Same signs are there, subtract. Opposite sides, add. Opposite side, add. Same sign, subtract. Same sign, subtract. Now, how to solve? How to solve? First, this method is called as elimination method. Elimination in the sense of remove. So, we have to eliminate here minus y. So, how to eliminate? Just I said no. Plus and minus. Opposite signs add. Opposite signs add. So, addition I said, actually what is the sign for 2x is plus. Sign plus 2x is plus. What is the sign for 4? That is also plus. This is very, very important point. Now, so addition, no, there is no change. As it is, you can write the plus. This is there is no change. Directly you can do. If it is subtraction only problem, addition as it is you can. 3 plus, first of all, plus 3y minus 3y. Plus 3y minus 3y 0. Plus 3y minus 3y 0. So this is plus 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. 5x is equal to 15 plus 4 is equal to 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. So this is nothing but 5 into x. 5 into x. X is equal to 19 by 5. Transposing into 5 will be divided by 5. By 5. Now I got x value. So substitute like that before method only, substitution method only. Substitute x is equal to 19 by 5 any of the equation, either 1 or 2. So which is compatible? That is better. First one is compatible. That's why put x is equal to 19 by 5 in equation 1. Equation 1. So, what is the equation 1? X plus y is equal to 5. What is x value? 19. 19 plus 5, 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. What is y value? Y is equal to 5. This plus 19 by 5 will be transposed minus 19 by 5. Minus 19 by 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. Here I am going to solve. That is y is equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. That implies y is equal to so you can take LCM, otherwise 5 5s are 25, shortcut method. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 19 by 5. Once you check this is 5 minus 19 by 5. Automatically if you take the shortcut method, otherwise LCM method, 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 90 by 5. So 25 minus 90 is equal to y is equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Finally, I got x value is 19 by 5. Y value is 6 by 5. So this is the elimination method. So this is very, very important. X is equal to 19 by 5. Y is equal to 6 by 5. Y is equal to 6 by 5. This is the solution. So here I eliminated y. We can also eliminate x. if you eliminate y, first you will get x value, so that you can substitute x value in any of the equation, you will get y value. You will get y value. So here we can also eliminate x. You can also eliminate x. We can also eliminate x. That also will do. Now here what I did actually to eliminate y, I multiplied equation 1 into 3, equation 1 into 3 and equation 2 into 1, as it actually I have written equation 2 as it is. Now I am going to eliminate x. I am going to eliminate x. So now I am going to eliminate x. So here before I eliminated y, now I am going to eliminate x. For that purpose, I have to multiply this and this should be equal. This coefficient and this coefficient should be equal. Here the coefficient is 2. Here also the coefficient will be 2. Then it will be very easily you can do. That's why equation easily you can understand. Equation 1 into 2. Equation 1 into 2. Now equation 1 into 2, that implies equation 1 into 2, x plus y is equal to 5 into 2, no, that's why into 2 into 2. 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So just I am writing 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 5. Both LHS and RHS you have to multiply with 2. 2 into x, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now, actually as it is you can write, but namesake I am multiplying with 1. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Both LHS and RHS you have to multiply with 1. The same thing will get 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now I am going to eliminate x. Why? Because here also 2x, here also 2x, here also 2x, here also 2x. Now if it is what is the sign of 2 plus? What is the sign of 2 plus? What is the sign of 2 plus? What is the sign of 2x plus? So if it is same signs, you have to go for subtraction. Plus 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 subtraction, plus plus subtraction. Then we are going for subtraction, subtraction, subtraction. So if it is subtraction, this is very important. Now I am doing a vertical subtraction. If it is subtraction, because of this minus, this plus will be minus. Because of this minus will be plus. Because of this minus, actually the sign is plus. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus. Very important. Because we are doing both signs are same signs. Same signs means subtraction, plus plus. Same sign subtraction. That's why because of this minus, this plus will be minus. Because of this this minus will be plus. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus. You know very well this one. Now you have to cancel. Now forget about these symbols, signs, plus you forget minus and plus. Plus 2x minus 2x will be cancelled 0. Plus 2y plus 3y is equal to 5y. Plus 2y plus 3y is equal to 5y. Forget about minus 3y. Plus 2y plus 3y is equal to 5y is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 5y is equal to 6. 5 into y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 by 5. I got, before I eliminated y, I got x value. Now I eliminated x, that's what I got y value. Substitute, put y is equal to 6 by 5 in any of the equation, either 1 or 2. So, equation 1 is comfortable. That's what equation 1. Now, what is equation 1? X plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. So, x in the sense x only. Substitute y value 6 by 5. 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Y value 6 by 5 is equal to 5. That implies x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. X is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. That implies x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. 5 minus 6 by 5. That is nothing but, you can take LCM, otherwise shortcut method. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 6 by 5. That is equal to 25 minus 6 is equal to 19. 25 minus 6 is equal to 19. Therefore, x is equal to 19 by 5. Y is equal to 6 by 5. Okay. So, here one more example. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. How to do? By using elimination method. This is very, very important. First of all, I thought of eliminating by, in this case. Otherwise, you can also eliminate x. First, I thought of eliminating by. So here 3 will be there, here 2 will be there. These two coefficients should be equal. For that purpose, I am multiplying with one number. Which number is compatible? You see, that implies equation 1 into something. That implies equation 2 into something. You have to find the constant. So, I think if you multiply with 3, this will be 6. If you multiply into 3, this will be 6. If multiply into 2, this will be 6. Carefully listen. This is very, very important. If you multiply into 3, this will be 6. If you multiply into 2, this will be 6. That's why the full equation I am going to multiply. What is that? Equation 1 into constant 3. Equation 1 into, not only this one, full. Equation 2 into constant 2. Constant 2. Now, what is that? Here, equation 1 into 3, number 3, that implies full 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. This is the equation. So, if you multiply into 3 into 3x plus 3 into 11. 3 into 11. That implies 3 3s are 9x. 3 into 3x 9x plus 3 2s are 6y is equal to 33. This is equation, new equation. Equation 1 turns like 9x plus 6y is equal to 33. 9x plus 6y. 9x plus 6y is equal to 33. 33. Okay. Now, equation 2 into 2. Just equation 2 into 2. Equation 2. What is equation 2? 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. Into equation 2 into number 2. Constant 2. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4x. 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6y is equal to 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 4x plus 6y is equal to 8. So my main intention is I want to eliminate y so that the quotient of y will be 6, the quotient of y will be 6. That's what I multiplied equation 1 into 3 so that this is 6. Equation 1 into 2, this is 6. Then only I can eliminate y. Then only I can eliminate y. Okay, we can eliminate later. Suppose the same thing we can, if you want to eliminate x, if you want to eliminate x, so this will be into 2, this will be into 3, this will be into 2, this will be in, so 3x into 2 6x, 2x into 3 6x. So instead of eliminating only one, we have to eliminate full. That's why into 2 equation 1 into number 2 equation 2 into number 3, equation 2 into number 3. So here what is that? First equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 into 2, no, that's why into 2, 2 into, so 2 3s are 6x, 2 3s are 6x, 2 2s are 4y is equal to 2 11s are 22, 2 11s are 22. So equation 1 is nothing but 6x plus 4y, 6x plus 4y is equal to 22, is equal to 22. Now what about equation 2? Equation 2 into 3. So equation 2, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 into 3 into 3, here also into 3, 3 into 4. That is nothing but 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 12. 6x plus, that implies 6x plus 9y is equal to 12. You see this difference, find out the difference. Here I am going to eliminate y, that's why here I got 6y, 6y. Here I am going to eliminate x, that's what I got 6x, 6x. Either you can do in this way or that way, both are correct, you will get the same answer. Now here I am going to cancel y, I am going to eliminate y. I will get first x value, afterwards substitute x value in any of the equation, I will get y value. Here this is reverse, you can do in reverse. First you will get cancel xx, you will get y value, so that you can y value substitute in any of the equation, you will get x value. Now okay, we can eliminate y, or we can also eliminate x. So I will eliminate y. If you want, you can eliminate x by practicing this video. Now here the very important, okay, I decided I want to eliminate y, 6y plus 6y plus 6y, same signs, plus and plus, plus and plus, subtraction, same signs, subtraction, both are same signs. That's what I have to go for, that's what I have to go for. Subtraction minus subtraction, subtraction, subtraction. So here this sign is, the sign for 4x is plus, the sign for 8 is plus, so this is very important. Addition means very easy, subtraction means carefully how to do. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus. I am doing subtraction, you know very well. Subtraction of polynomials, you know very well. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus, this plus will be minus, this plus will be minus. Now forget about this plus and this plus. Now minus, minus, minus. Carefully, first cancellation we have to do. Plus 6y minus 6y will be 0. Now 9x minus 4x is equal to 5x. 9x minus 4x is equal to 5x. Is equal to 33 minus 8. 33 minus 8. What is the 33 minus 8? So it is 25. 33 minus 8. 5 into x. 5 into x is equal to 25. X is equal to 25 divided by 5. That implies x is equal to 25 by 5 is equal to 5. Now substitute to get y value. Substitute x is equal to 5 in any of the equation, either 1 or 2. Anything, no problem. Put, I'll write here, put x is equal to 5 in equation 1 or 2, no problem. 1. So 3x plus 2y, once again I am writing the equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. That implies x value 5, no? 3 into x, 3 into 5 plus 2y is equal to 11. That implies 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2y is equal to 11. 15 plus 2y is equal to 11. 15 plus 2y is equal to 11. That implies 15 plus, that implies 2y is equal to 11 minus 15. 11 minus 15. Carefully to do. That implies 2y is equal to 11 minus 15. 2y is equal to 11 minus 15 minus 4. 11 minus 15 minus 4. 11 minus 15 is equal to minus 4. That implies 2 into y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4 by 2. Y is equal to minus 4 by 2. That implies y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. Just I got x is equal to 5. Finally, x is equal to 5. Here x is equal to 5. Y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 5. And y is equal to minus 2. Whether this solution is correct or not, we can also check. Previously also we can check in substitution method, we did not check. Now how to check also just is not important, but just I will explain how to check, how to verify your answer. You take any of the equation. Here I am taking first equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Just I am verifying the answer. Just I am verifying what is x is equal to. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to, I got x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Now whether this answer is correct or not, I have to check. LHS is equal to 3x plus 2y. RHS is equal to 11. LHS, RHS. Substitute x and y value in LHS. That is nothing but 3 into x. 3 into x. 3 into x is nothing but 5 plus 2 into y. Y value minus 2. That is equal to 3 5s are 50 plus 2 into 2. 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. That is equal to 15. Yes, negative, negative. So, yes, negative, negative. So, otherwise you are habituated plus into minus minus. 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. Here LHS I got 11. RHS also 11. So, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. So, my answer is, my solution is correct. Otherwise, if you are interested, you can take equation 2 also. You will get the same answer. Same verification. Here one more question. One more sum is there. by using elimination method, we have to solve this these pair of linear equations. Here, okay, first one is 2x minus y is equal to 2. The next one is 3y minus 4x is equal to minus 2. Don't confuse. So here, this I have write first 2x minus 3y, not 3y, just y. Y is equal to 2 and 3y minus 4x. Actually, 3y minus 4x. This I am writing minus 4x plus 3y. Minus 4x plus 3y plus 3y is equal to minus 2. Actually, these two are the original form. 2x minus y is equal to 2 and 3y minus 4x is equal to minus 2. I have written like this. Carefully listen. Now you can do this sum. Now this is equal to eliminate y. Y you are going to eliminate. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 into something, equation 2 into something. If you multiply equation 1 into 3, this will be minus 3y. This will be minus 3y. So that we can easily eliminate y. So that we can easily eliminate y. So I am multiplying equation 1 into 3. Equation 1 into 3. What is equation 1? 2x minus y is equal to 2. Multiply with into 3, 3 into 2. So 3 2s are 6x minus 3y is equal to 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 into 2x is equal to 6x. 3 into y is equal to 3y. Minus is there. 3 2s are 6. Just equation 1 into 3 is nothing but 6x minus 3y is equal to 6. 6x minus 3y is equal to 6. What about equation 2? Already 3y is there. As it is you can write. But namesake I am writing into 1. That implies equation 2 into 1. As it is I can write minus 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 2. Is equal to minus 2. Minus 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 2. Is equal to minus 2. Now, here I am going to eliminate y. In the sense here minus 3y plus 3y. Minus 3y plus 3y. If different signs are there, opposite signs are there, so we can add minus, plus, minus and plus means we can add. We can add. Addition is very easy. We can do easily. Addition. This is addition I have to do. So addition, we are going to do addition. So addition means it is very easy. So 6x minus, first of all, minus 3y plus 3y will be cancelled. Minus 3y plus 3y. So 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, that is nothing but 6 plus minus 2, that is nothing but 6 plus minus 2. So 2 into x is equal to 4 by 2. X is equal to 4 by 10. X is equal to 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Substitute. Put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2 in equation either 1 or 2. No problem. In equation 1. Therefore, 2x minus y is equal to 2. 2x minus y is equal to 2. 2x, x is equal to 2. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 minus y is equal to 2. 4 minus y is equal to 2. That is nothing but minus y is equal to 2. This plus 4 will be transposed minus 4. That implies minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus y is equal to minus 2. That implies y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to minus 2. That implies y is equal to 2. You know very well, you are multiplied with minus 1 in LHS and RHS. Directly also you can write minus y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 2. Is that x is equal to 2. Finally, the answer is x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. If you want, you can substitute whether the solution is correct or not. You can substitute either 1 or 2, and you can also verify by using this substitution. So that is not required. So this is the third question. Here we completed 3 sums, elimination method. Here I am giving a assignment. 6 questions I am giving. Listen carefully. Solve x and y. This question you can do easily. And this one you may get some confusion. Very carefully. As it is you can do, but otherwise this first one, this is nothing but 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. Minus 4 is transposing that side plus 4. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. And this is nothing but 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Carefully you see. Understand? 9x minus plus 2y will be transposed from that side to this side, minus 2y is equal to 7. 7 I kept in RHS side only. That's what the sign is remains same. Now this is second question. Third question, C, as it is you can do. Coming to fourth, D, you can do. Coming to this question also, like B, this one also, 7x minus 8y is equal to 0 plus 11. Transposing that side, 0 plus 11 is equal to 11. This is 8x minus 7y is equal to 0 plus 7. 7. You can do like this. As it is also you can do, but maybe you are already habituated like this, you can do like this. Now, coming to F, 2x plus 7y is equal to 0 plus 11. And 3x minus y is equal to 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. These are the 6 questions. All of you solve these x and y values. Okay, thank you very much.